I'm Saud, and by the end of this video you'll be able to multiply any number with 5 in your head. I'll make two partitions of this page. This side is if the number that you want to multiply is even, and this side is if the number you want to multiply is odd. Let's say I want to multiply 26 with 5. So the first step is divide the number by 2 in your head, and 26 by 2 is 13, 6 by 2 is 3, and 2 by 2 is 1. So it's 1 3. Now the next thing is place a 0 after the number, that is 130. So 26 multiplied by 5 is 130, 130. What we actually did is we multiplied 26 multiplied by 10 divided by 2. We actually multiplied by 10 by 2, and 10 by 2 is nothing but 5. So what we did is we first divided the number by 2, so that was 13, and 13 after we got 1 3 we just placed a 0. We multiplied it by 10. You can easily do this in your head. Let's say if the number is odd, and suppose the number is 13, and you want to multiply 13 with 5. The first thing is subtract 1 from the number, so you'll have 12. 13 minus 1, 13 minus 1 is 12. The next step is divide this number by 2. So 12 by 2 is 6. This was step number 2. The third step is just place a 5 at the end of the number. So the answer is 65. So 13 multiplied by 5 is 65. First step 13 minus 1, that was 12. Second step 12 by 2, that is 6, and just place a 5 at the end. Let's say the number that you want to multiply is 123. So 123 minus 1, that is 122. We'll do this in our head. That is 122. 122 divided by 2 is 61. And the next thing is you just place a 5. So it is 615. 615 is the answer of 123 multiplied by 5. Let's take another even number. Let's say 240, 240. First step is divide by 2, that is 120, and the next thing is you just place a 0. So it's 1200. So 240 multiplied by 5 is 1200. With this you should be able to multiply any number with 5 in your head. Thank you very much for listening.